Hello everybody, this is Sonia. I'm throwing the camera around here everywhere. Sorry about that. I've got a parcel from Sue Jennings and she's in Australia. She lives in New South Wales. I've opened this and I was about to undo it and I've got no camera turned on. It's not one of my days today, is it? It's not one of my better days. So here is what I got from Sue Jennings with all this. I love the stamps. Thank you, Sue. I do love the stamps. And thank you so much for participating. I don't think Sue does any tutorials at the moment. She has a little trouble with her eyes, so she's got to wait for an operation. But anyway, she's a lovely lady. Look at this, what she sent me. I believe there might be a card here somewhere though. We'll see if we can find a card. Here we go. We found a card. Thank you. Just a note to say, isn't it nice? Thanks for all the things you do on YouTube. Sorry I'm late. We are heading to Victoria. They go down to visit their family. This is not late, Sue. You got it here because I changed the date, okay? And look at the trouble. She does a lot of cards. She does a lot of good albums and cards and things. Look at this. Isn't this cool? All them tiny little flowers that she put round there for me. Thank you very much. This is so nice. Nice embossed there paper, and there's this nice die cut for the edge of it there that she's put through. That is very delicate, that, isn't it? Very dainty. This is so nice, Sue. Oh, you are amazing. Oh, thank you. That is very kind. I often say that to my husband. I am amazing. I don't say he is. I say I am. Just mucking about. Anyway, thank you so much. This is so nice of you. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate that, Sue. Thank you. Oh, look at this. Wow. That's nice, isn't it? Look at that. It's really a really nice heavy piece of fabric. Can't tell you what it is. Used to know them all once. Got a, I don't know, it's like a, can't say, sorry. It's nice though. It's a really good, really good one. Really nice. A really nice piece. This is really cool. This is like a damask. I think it's a, usually they're really white, but this one's unbleached. And it is awesome, isn't it? Oh, well, I think it's natural. I don't know. I can't say for sure, but by gee, it's cool, isn't it? I do love that. Thank you very much. Look at that. Can you see the embossing on there? It's like embossing, isn't it? It's actually raised embroidery on it. It's beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for that. And these beads, look at this. Oh wow, this is another bit like this. It's got trees on this. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Thank you so much. Look at this. Here, they're trees. Anyway, I'm going to look at this one again because it's sort of something the same. I thought it might have something on there that I missed the pattern of what was on there, but I didn't. But this is nice, isn't it, Sue? Thank you so much. I do love that. And this piece, this is nice. This is pretty, isn't it? It's got beautiful flowers on it. Thank you so much for this. It's really pretty. It's a really nice shiny. I got no idea. Okay, it's nice. I do know that. Thank you so much. I do love that. Thank you very much for sending me these lovely pieces of fabric for my challenge, so I really appreciate that too. So thank you everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later.